Was it? Yeah, alright. So basically, what I was explaining earlier about the little T-chart is you put the number on top, and then you'd have the other numbers here, so like 1 and 100, 2 and 50. Alright, sorry about this being like crazy. There's not enough space on my phone to show you this. And 3 doesn't go into 100, so you cross it out. Basically, you keep doing this all the way till you get to 10 and 10, or the square root of the number. Alright? Yeah, select size. I thought I put erase on. Oh my gosh, it's too much. Freaking file. No, there we go. Don't save. Alright, so you should know everything between 1 and 12, or I hope you do. 144 is 12, and 1 is, you should know everything in between there. If you don't, try and memorize it a little bit because it's going to be helpful. So let me create a number real quick on my calculator. Alright, so the number is 1369. Now, doing the T-chart here would be a big pain in the butt because it's a very large number. So the reason I need you to memorize these numbers, or the 1 through 12, is basically so you could help with this process. So 1 is obviously 1, 2 is 4, 3, 9, 3, there. So basically, when you get, oh my gosh, this one annoyed the crap out of me. Click and erase it, sorry. Oh well. So basically, with our number 1, or 1369, basically what I wanted you to memorize the 1 through 12 was because if you have 10, it's 100. You just add the 0 behind it. And remember the 1 times 1? The 1's still here. The 20, 2 and 2 is 4. So you have 40 and then add the 0. 400. 20 is 400. 30 is 900. And then 40, 1600. Alright, and so I'm sure you already noticed, hopefully, this number 1369 is in between these two numbers. So if you have 1 through 12 memorized, if you had zeros on the end of them, you should be able to memorize 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. all the way up to 120. And so basically, if you see these numbers, alright, so you see, oh my gosh, I gotta stop this. So you see you have 1369 is between 30 and 40. Now, since 30 is 900 and 40 is 1600, now you could look, alright, is 1369 closer to 900 or 1600? It looks like 1600, so I guess we could start at 38. So if you do 38 times 38, you figure it all out. I'm not going to do the math on here because I can't really draw it out well. You end up getting 140 or 1444. That's close, but not what we're looking for. So now you go down. So do 37 times 37, and you should get the number 13. That's a crappy 13. 69. Ignore that part, but here's your answer. So it'd be 37 times 37. Alright, so just try and remember 1 through 12 is the 1 through 144. If you don't know these, this won't be too helpful, because then we have 10 times 10, or let's say 50 times 50. Then you should tell right off the back it's 2500. So yeah, that's the easiest way, and you do the T-chart because you put in the numbers, and 38 and 38. Well, no, T-chart was for small numbers like 144, to where you end up all the way to 12. That's what I was taught in school. But now you remember the shortcut 12 and or 120. And 120 is, well, what's 12 and 12? 44. Or 144, so add the 2 zeros. There's your answer. The square root of 14400 is this 120. So yeah, I'm gonna put another number real quick. It's gonna be real high. So it's gonna be 120, and I'll tell you what it's already in between. 110. This one is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 110 is obviously 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. So what's it look closer to? And it looks actually pretty close to the middle, so we can start at 35. Or no, I'm sorry, not 35. 1, 15. And you should get 1, 3, 2, 2, 5. That's not it, so you go up to 1, 1, 16 and 1, 1, 16. And you should get this little thing, answer. It's basically a shortcut. Just remember the multiples and try to work in the middle from there. And that should be it. Thanks, and I hope this helps. And sorry about it being a little bit weird, because I just planned this off the top of my head.